Hi there. So I wanted to give some explanations here for some of the assignments we're doing here in horticulture that have a little bit more to do with plants and their impact on culture and society, kind of outside of the ordinary. So this one's all about plant arrangements. So this one, you've got a chart here with different types of arrangements. So you're going to fill out the chart for the different arrangements listed. In the second column here, where it says picture of arrangement, paste or insert a picture of that type of arrangement. So again, if you want to copy and paste, that's fine. Inserting it, again, if you're inside the text of it, you can do insert, image, search the web. Here, let me move my video here a little bit. So let's say you were looking for a picture of a corsage. Boom, you've got pictures of corsages that you could insert. You select one, insert, and boom, it puts the picture inside of there where you want it to be. So then after that, in the third column, you talk about why is the arrangement important? Why are people bothering with these types? And you might need to do a little bit of online research to look at these different types of arrangements and the significance of them. So again, the corsage or boutonniere is one that's up here at the top. If you've ever gotten flowers together for someone that you're taking to a dance, that might be related to part of what you've looked at for that. A bouquet or other flower arrangement is another one that you can get some info on. Bonsai, again, a practice that has some strong cultural ties, so you might talk a little bit about the cultural impact that it's had. And then topiary, another one. Both bonsai and topiary have to kind of do with shaping plants in a certain way so that the look of them has a certain appearance that you're going for. Whereas the flower arrangement and the corsage or boutonniere, usually you're not altering the plants significantly, but you're selecting specific flowers for a specific purpose. So again, I hope that this assignment makes sense as far as what you're doing. It's a little bit more open-ended because you can pick the picture and then explain that particular arrangement. But if you do have any questions about this assignment, please feel free, like usual, to email me, call me, or if you show up for our science department office hours, 9:30 to 10:30 via Zoom every weekday, Monday through Friday.